So you might be in a situation where you keep getting this little pop-up on Snapchat, which tells you that you have an SS07 error. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing to remember here is that as you're going through and looking at it, your device may have been banned because of a couple situations. Number one, you first want to see, were you using any third-party applications like a Snapchat Plus Plus, like anything like that within Snapchat that could be, a third-party app plugin? Sometimes if you used any tweaks or anything like that, that could be giving you some issues. Or if you did too many login attempts, like if you tried logging in way too many times, that can also probably end up giving you some problems here too. So that can be another issue. You might have to go through and try re-logging in, just try giving it a little bit of time. So that right there could be one of the big issues. The first thing that people recommend you to do though is to go ahead and just wait it out. Sometimes if you just wait like, a couple of days, like a day or two or three, sometimes that can give you the best likelihood of kind of going through this temporary lockout. So go through, don't try logging in immediately, give it call it like a day or two. You can also try going through and turning off any VPNs. If you have any VPNs there, you can also try turning those off, giving it a day or two, and then logging back in. Finally, if none of those things are working, you can also try going through and try updating your Snapchat application. So search up for the Snapchat application just like this. You want to go and find Snapchat, and if there's an update available, you just want to click on the update button, and that will allow you to update the application. So that could be another very easy thing that you might want to try doing as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.